Make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners. Are you tired of struggling to make money online as a newbie affiliate marketer? Do you dream of generating passive income and living the lifestyle you've always wanted? ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate networks, with millions of products to promote and thousands of successful marketers making a killing. In this video, we're going to show you the secrets to unlocking ClickBank riches, even if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. From choosing the right products to promoting them effectively, we'll cover it all. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video now and start building your path to ClickBank success. ClickBank is one of the leading platforms for affiliate marketers, and for good reason. With millions of products to choose from and a user-friendly interface, it's the perfect place for newbies to start their affiliate marketing journey. And the best part? The potential for earning a significant income is huge. When it comes to affiliate marketing, newbies often face a number of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is choosing the right products to promote. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones are worth your time and effort. Another common challenge is understanding marketing strategies. Without a solid understanding of how to reach your target audience and convert them into customers, you'll struggle to make any sales. In addition to choosing the right products and understanding marketing strategies, newbies also often struggle with creating effective marketing campaigns. This can include everything from building a website to creating engaging social media content. And let's not forget about the importance of tracking your results and optimizing your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Despite these challenges, many newbies have been able to find success on ClickBank. But it's not just about promoting any old product and hoping for the best. You need to be strategic in your approach and focus on building a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing business. So how do you achieve success on ClickBank? It starts with choosing a profitable niche and finding products that resonate with your target audience. From there, you need to conduct thorough research on your products and create effective marketing campaigns that drive traffic and convert sales. And don't forget about the importance of building an email list and creating multiple income streams. One of the most effective strategies for success on ClickBank is to focus on building a relationship with your target audience. This can be done through content marketing, email marketing, and social media engagement. By building trust and authority with your audience, you'll be able to promote products that they'll love, and you'll earn a commission on every sale. For example, let's say you're promoting a fitness product. Instead of just sending traffic to the product page, you could create a series of videos or blog posts that provide valuable information on fitness. Then, you could promote the product as a solution to the problem you've been discussing. This approach not only builds trust with your audience, but it also increases the chances of converting them into customers. I want to share with you a success story that illustrates the power of affiliate marketing on ClickBank. One newbie affiliate marketer was able to turn their efforts into a profitable venture by focusing on a profitable niche and creating effective marketing campaigns. They started by promoting a series of fitness products and quickly saw their earnings skyrocket. Today, they're earning a full-time income from their affiliate marketing business. But instead of stopping there, they continued to optimize their campaigns and expand their reach. In summary, success on ClickBank requires a solid understanding of marketing strategies, a focus on building a relationship with your target audience, and a willingness to optimize and improve your campaigns. With the right approach, anyone can succeed as an affiliate marketer, regardless of their experience level. So what do you think? Are you ready to start your affiliate marketing journey on ClickBank? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my related video on advanced affiliate marketing strategies.